So hello everyone, welcome here, and today we will discuss about the area of pointer here. So first of all, we are going to include the feature of, we are going to declare in our source code, include the feature of iostream header file. Okay, and after we are going to use using namespace standard with semicolon. Okay, so here namespace will be used to reduce the redundancy. Redundancy means duplicate, means in our program if we have same types of variables, then it will be managed. Okay, so after that what will be happen here, we are going to create a block array that is here, and here 4 partitions because we have 4 elements, that is 10, 20, 30 and 40. That type is integer type because here we are going to declare initialize a variable that is integer types array, int array, arr is a name of our array, and here we are going to we are going to use it is the syntax of initialize value to the our array, and here the index of 10 is 0, and in array index will be start from the 0, and one index is 20 and second index 30, and 40 is the present in the index of 3. And after that we are going to declare a pointer variable that is integer pointer p, and after that what we are doing here, we are going to assign the value, we are going to assign the address of array 0 index. Okay, so it will be just hold the address of p is just holding the address of 10, means it will be hold the address of 0 index. Okay, and after that we are going to print with the help of cout function, cout method will be called, because in C we can say that it is function, print function or a scan function, but in C++ we are only going to say that method. Okay, so here we are going to print the value of p with the help of cout method, and we are going to use here in endl. Endl function is mainly used to new line. Okay, so if you are going to use that endl, at that time our cursor will be come to the next line, and after that we are going to use here we are going to increment, post increment of our p. So first p is just holding the address of this index, and after that it is just holding the address of 20 because we are going to increment here. So here it will be changed, means it will be just holding the address of p will be holding the address of, we are going to increment, post increment, that it will be just holding the address of p of address of 20. Okay, and after that we are going to use again cout method to print again the result of p. So we are going to use here cout inside of cout function method p. Okay, so it will be give the result. Suppose it here it will be give the output, the address of 10 is 100, then what will be happen here, it will be also give the address it will be give the answer, means it will be holding the address of 104. If your compiler is 32-bit, then it will be result your, means differences will be 4 byte. Okay, And if your compiler is 16 bit 16 bit, then your answer will be only two byte differences. Your differences will be in two uh, addresses in 2 bytes. Okay, so it will be give the output. So mostly compiler is using 32 bits, so it will be differences means 4 bytes. Okay, and after that we are going to return the value 0 to the compiler to that satisfaction. Okay, and after that we are going to close the parenthesis here. So it is our source code of our program. So let's visit to our source code editor to compile this code. Okay, so first I'm just save it, and then we are going to see here that what will be happen in the code blocks IDE. So create a new project, that name is pointer to array, and then next and finish. So here is our folder, and then we are going to choose open main.c++. Then we are going to paste here our source code, and then we will see the result, the output. Then you can easily see here that the output have differences only 4 bytes, only 4. Okay, so you can see that you can also analysis that your compiler is 32 bits if your addresses have differences in 4 bytes. Okay, so it is all about our source code of pointer to array. So I hope you have gotten all the pointers here. If you have any problem, you can ask me through this description box. So let's bye.